In Creo Parametric, you can simulate the weight of other components in a structural analysis using a weighted link in conjunction with a mass element. Here I have a part for a structure that I want to analyze. Let's go to Applications and then Simulate. And first off, I need to create a point for where I want to locate my mass element. Let me go to the Refine Model tab, and then I will create a point. Let me select a geometrical reference. I will select this edge, and then rather than creating it on the edge, I want to create it at the center, and I will rename it. I always like to rename my features, and I will call this mass point. And I'm happy with that, so I will click the OK button. Let me turn on my point display. You can see that it's still highlighted on the screen. And now I will create a mass element. Let me click on the mass idealization. And I will create a simple one. And let's make sure it's located on a point. Oh, I already had it selected in there, but here it's still listed in there. And for the distribution, I will use total mass, seeing as I just have 1 point. And here we have a drop-down list where we can change the units that we are using. Let's say I want to do this in kilograms, and I want to simulate that it weighs about 16 kilograms. So then I can click the OK button, and my mass unit is created. And now in order to distribute that mass across the geometry that is going to support it, I can create my weighted link. Here is the command for the weighted link. And in the dialog box up at the top, first you can change the name of the object. Then we can choose what's called the independent side, which is the geometry that will end up supporting this weight. And from this drop-down list, we can distribute that weight on points, edges or curves, or surfaces. In this case, I'm going to use a surface, and I'm going to pick that really thin, or excuse me, small annular surface in the part model. So that is good. Next up, you could choose the coordinate system, a different coordinate system to use. And that coordinate system is really only important if you are going to control which degrees of freedom are going to be affected. In this case, I want all degrees of freedom to be affected, so the coordinate system doesn't matter, but you could choose a different one if you want. And then I will click in this field to select my geometrical reference for the dependent side, which will be the point with the mass element. Everything is good in here, so I will click the OK button. And now you can see the indication in the graphics area of where we have our weighted link. Let me deselect everything and then repaint the screen. And there you can see it displayed as well. So that's how you can create your weighted link in Creo Simulate for a structural analysis.